To ensure confidentiality of your data in your storage account, it is paramount that you have encryption of your storage account. Azure provides this service with the help of Storage Service Encryption, also called as SSE. Now, SSE for data at rest helps you protect your data to meet your organizational security and compliance commitments. With this feature, the Azure Storage Platform automatically encrypts your data before persisting it to Azure Managed Disks, blobs, queues, table storage, or Azure files. It will also assist in decrypting the data before retrieval. The handling of encryption, encryption at rest, decryption, and key management in storage service encryption is transparent to users. All data written to Azure Storage Platform is encrypted through 256-bit encryption AES, and this is one of the strongest block ciphers available. SSE is enabled for all new and existing storage accounts, and this cannot be disabled. Because your data is secured by default, you do not have to modify your code or applications. Now, in the graphical user interface in the Azure portal, if you navigate to settings and then under encryption, you have the option to choose your own key. This checkbox does not mean that you're disabling and enabling encryption. It does not mean that at all. It just means that Microsoft Azure is giving you the option to have your own keys to encrypt the data, which is then called as customer managed keys. We'll talk more about customer managed keys in a minute. But if you check this box, you will have the option to either enter your key URI or select from a key vault. So if you have created a key in your key vault, you can use that key to encrypt the storage account. If the keys are in a different subscription altogether, or with your customer, or with a different entity like organization or enterprise, then you might want to ask your customer what the key URI is and then enter the key URI here. Your storage account will then be encrypted with this key URI. Regardless whether you use customer managed keys or managed keys, your storage account is encrypted by default. So the storage service encryption will protect the data at rest in your blobs, tables, queues, and files.